Good morning, my dear students. Today we're gonna have a summary of Unit 1. Okay, approximating to the nearest hundreds and thousand. If I have any number and I want to approximate, here they want me to approximate to the nearest hundreds. What should I do? I have this number, look here, 2, 8.34 and 2. And they told me to approximate to the nearest hundreds. Where are the hundreds here? Here is the decimal point, and here the tens, and here the hundreds, and here the thousands. So they want me to approximate to the nearest hundred. So I'm gonna make a circle around hundreds, and I will underline the number before it. Here, the number, and then I'm looking at this number. This number is weak or strong. If it is less than 5, it will be weak, so it will not change anything. And if it is more than 5, it will be strong, and it will add 1 more to this number. So this number here is 2, so I have nothing to change. So the number will be, after approximation, 2, 8, decimal point, 3, and the number inside the circle will be the same, because I have here a weak number and it doesn't change, and any number in front of here before the circle, it will be 0. You can write it or not. Okay, and if I want to approximate to the nearest thousand, it's the same, and nearest tens is the same. Okay, I have to follow the same way. Okay, let's see here. Approximate to the nearest thousand. Again, it's the same. Here I have the number 7, 3.342 and 1. Okay, where are the tens? Here the tens, here the hundred, and here the thousand. So I'm gonna make a circle here and underline the number before. This number is weak, so I will gonna not change anything. Okay, let's see. When I want to comparing fraction and decimal. Okay, to compare fraction and decimal, convert the decimal into fraction first. Okay, as I know, I have to here multiplying by, yes, here before, to compare a fraction here and decimal, convert to the decimal. If I have like this, if I have 0.5 and here I have a number 1/2. Look here, this is the fraction, and here a decimal. I should do what I know. The 0.5, it equals what? 1/2. Okay, but if I want to make it in another way, 5/10 and 1/2, and then I'm gonna make what? Cross multiplication. 2 by 5, it's 10, and 10 by 1, it's 10. So here they are equal. And the other way, I know that 0.5 equals what? Half, and 0.25 equals quarter, and 0.75 equals 3/4, 3/4. Okay, like, what should I do when I want to multiply by 10, by 100, by 1000? First of all, I have to look at the sign. This sign is multiply, so I'm gonna go to the right. Okay, go to the right, and here then I'm looking at the number. This is 10, and this is 100, and this is 1000. When it's 10, I have to go one step to the right. When it's 100, I have to go 2 steps to the right. When it's 1000, I have to go 3 steps to the right. Here I don't have any numbers, and so here each step I have to put 0. Here the first one, and here nothing, I'm gonna put 0, and here nothing, I'm gonna put 0. So the number will be like this. Okay, let's see what we have else. How do I compare between fraction? Okay, I have three rules. Okay, first of all, comparing two fractions of the same denominator. They have the same denominator, so it's a normal fraction. So the number here 5 is bigger than 4, so it will be to the left here. Okay, and if I have a crazy fraction, it has the same numerator. What should I do? I have to go to the smallest. So here the denominator here is 8 and the denominator here is 7, so I have to go to 7. Okay, comparing the fraction of different numerator, what should I do? As we said before, they are different, so I have to go with cross multiplication. Okay, and here I have multiplying fraction. This is very easy, and I know I have 2 steps. First of all, if I have 2 numbers here, I have to multiply the numerator together and then the denominator together. Like if I have 1 over 2 multiplying by 2 over 4. Okay, here 1 by 2, 2, and 2 by 4, it's 8. I will not let it as is. I have to simplify. I'm gonna simplify divided by 2 because they are even number, and here I have here 2 divided 2, so it will be 1 over 4. Okay, what if I need to do in another way? Here 1 over 2 multiplying by 2 over 4. I should have here, I should to look at a cross. Look, I have here 2 in front of it. There is another 2. 2 divided 2, it will be 1, and 2 divided 2, it will be 1. So here 1 multiply 1 equals 1, and 1 multiply 4 equals 4. They have the same result here, but 2 different way to solve. Okay, here I have 1 over 3 multiplied by 6 over 7. I go cross. Here 1 and 7, they cannot divide it together. So but what about 3 and 6? I can divide it. 3 divided 3, it will be 1, and 6 divided 3, it will be 2. So I simplified as 1 multiply 2, it's 2, and 1 multiply 7, it's 7. 2 over 7, I cannot simplify more. Okay, here we have what? We have divided. Okay, as we said before, when I see the divided here and 2 fraction, I have to do what? Keep, change, and flip. Okay, which one I have to keep? The first one I have to keep it. Here 5 over 7, I have to keep the first fraction, and then the sign I'm gonna change the sign into multiply, and then flip the number. Here the number 4 over 5, I will make it 5 over 4. That's all. Okay, and then I'm gonna do it. I can see here there's nothing to go with to divide it. Here 5 and here 4 and here 5 and here 7. So I'm gonna start 5 by 5, it's 25, and 4 by 7, it's 28, and it's finished here. Okay. Okay, I want to divide it by 10, 100, and 1,000. What should I do? Here I have, when I see this sign, it's I have to go to the left, left here. Okay, I have the number and I go to the left. When it's 10, I go 1 step to the left, and here I'm gonna go 2 steps to the left. Okay, to divide it by 1,000, I have to go 3 steps to the left. Okay, let's see, dividing a whole number by a digit number without having a remainder. Let's see. Okay, here I have also multiplying a whole number by a fraction. Okay, it's here when I have a fraction here, 1 over 6 multiplied by any whole number. I consider this number is a its denominator is 1. So, and then I'm gonna 1 multiplied by 27, it's a 27, and here 1 multiplied by 6, it will be 6. And also I have to do like 1 over 6 multiplied by 27 over 1. It can be divided by 3 here. 6 divided by 3, it will be 2, and here 27 divided by 3, it will be 9. So the number will be 9 over 2, and I can also do it like this. 9 over 2, I have to make it 9, and here 2. 9 divided by 2, it will be what? It will be 4. 4 by 2, it will be 8, and here minus and 1. Okay, so where is the whole number? Here, well, and here the denominator, and here the numerator. So the number will be 4 and 1 over 2. Okay, multiply mixed number by a fraction. Oh, okay, when I see any mixed number, I have to convert into improper fraction. How do I convert? Here 1 by 4 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. So 5 over 4. Body times legs plus head. Okay, multiply the other number, and then I'm gonna do it. And when I look here, I have 5 and 10. I can multiply, divide it together. Yes, divided 5, it will be 1, and divided 10, it will be 2. So the number will be 1 multiply 3, 3, and 2 multiply 4 equals 8. 3 over 8, I cannot simplify more. Okay, dividing a whole number by 3-digit number without having a remainder, it's long division. When dividing a 3-digit number, I start first from 3-digit to the left. Let's see. Here, if I have the number, okay, what should I do first? Daddy for dividing, mom for multiply, sister, subtract, and brother for bring down. Okay, and then which number here? I have this number, it's 152. I have to make it as a it's times table. Yes, multiplying each number with 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. I stop at 5, and so if I need more, I do it. Okay, here I start. Here I have to put how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I have to complete all these 5 places. Okay, then I'm gonna start 1 divided 152, it will be 0. 0 to the left, it means nothing, but I do to reserve its place, okay, or keeps its place. 19 divided this number, it will be also here another 0. 199. Think about it. You can hear 199. It has how many 152? It has only one. So when I look here, I have here 304 and here 152. So I'm gonna choose one. I'm gonna write 1 up and 152 down, and then I will make the other step is subtract. So 199 subtracting or 152, the result will be 47. When I reach 47 here, what should I do? I have to bring down the number after. Okay, so the number, I have new number here, 471. So I'm gonna look here, I have 456 and here 471. It's less than this number, so I'm gonna choose 3 up and 456 down, and then I'm gonna make subtract, and this one number it will be 15, and then I drop down L2 here, and then 152, it's only 1 here, so the result will be 131. To be sure, that's to check my answer, I have to multiply this number with this number, and the result will be this number. The quotient by the divisor will be the dividend. Okay, and here dividing decimal by decimal. Okay, what should I do? First of all, I have to look at the divisor. Where the divisor? Here. Okay, if the divisor has any decimal point, I have to remove it. How I do remove it? I look here. This number, it's 1.2. It has only one place after the decimal. So I'm gonna multiply this number with 10 and also this number with 10 to remove the decimal point, so the number will be 24 over 12, and if I divide it, it will be 2. Okay, so my first important thing, yes, I have to think about it, that the divisor must have no decimal point. Okay, and if I have here third solution here, yes, okay, but we use this one and this one. Okay, I can do it like this, yes, 2.4, it will be 24 over 10, sorry, 24 over 10 divided by 12 over 10, so keep change flip, 24 over 10 multiplied by 10 over 12, so I'm gonna divide it 10 with 10, so the answer will be 24 over 12, it will be 2. They have to get the same answers. Okay, the third part we have here, and we're gonna finish with, okay, infinite division. It's a division, it will not end. Okay, how I do end it? By the question. They told me approximate to the what? To the nearest hundreds. Okay, what should I do? Look here. Here is the number 13 divided by 123. Okay, 13 is smaller than 123. How do I do it? Okay, so first of all, here what? Hundreds. Okay, here I have to put the number. Here, 13 and 123. Okay, the hundredth place, they need the 100th place. I have to put a zeros more than 100, and 1 0 more than 100. I have to put 13 and the decimal place, and here tens, and here hundreds, and another one for 1000. Okay, why? Because I need another one. When I do approximate it, I need another place for approximation. Okay, so here I'm gonna do 1 2, then don't forget to put your decimal point, and 1 2 3, and then I'm gonna start 13 divided by 123. Here of course I have 0 0, yes, okay, and here another 0 0 0. 130 divided by 123. 130, it has how many 123? It has only one. 1 by 123, it will be 100 here, 123 here, and I'm gonna subtract 130 divided by minus 123, it will be 7, and here 0 0. Okay, I'm gonna drop another 0. Here 70, here I can do it, 70 divided by 100, no, so I'm gonna drop down the other 0. 700 divided by 123, it will be 700, and it will be 5, yes, 5 multiplied by this number, it will be 615. Okay, the answer will be, I finished here. My result will be end as here, because I need only 3 places after the decimal place. So here I'm gonna minus, yes, this is the remainder, 0, and here 10, 5, and here 8 and 0. Okay, so this is remainder, I cannot do anything with it. This is my result, 100.5. Okay, I need to approximate to the nearest 100. So the number here 0 decimal point 105. I need to approximate to the nearest 100. So where the hundreds here? The 100 is this one. So, and the number before it, I'm gonna underline it. So the number will be 0.1. 5 is strong, so it will be another one, and this is the result. Okay, that's all we have in unit 1. Thank you, and I want you to revise this unit and finish it. Okay, thank you.